Welcome. If you're looking to boost engagement and keep your Telegram group organized, the new topics feature is the perfect tool. Today, I'll walk you through how to allow group members to create topics in your Telegram group, right from your PC, using the latest update. First, make sure you're using the most recent version of the Telegram app on your computer. Now, let's get started. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're an admin. You'll find your groups listed on the left. Just click on the one you want to manage. At the top right corner of the group chat window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a menu. From the list of options, select Manage Group. This will bring up the group management settings, where you can control everything from group info to permissions. Next, look for the Permissions section. Click on it to view all the different actions members can perform in your group. Here you'll find the option labeled Create Topics. This is the setting that controls who can start new discussion threads within your group. To enable this feature, simply toggle the Create Topics option so it's turned on. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window to apply your new settings. Now, your group members will be able to create their own topics, helping everyone keep conversations organized and focused on specific subjects. This is especially useful for large groups, where discussions can quickly become overwhelming without structure. Remember, only admins can change these permissions, so you have full control over who can create and manage topics. If you ever want to adjust this setting, just follow these same steps. That's it. You've now empowered your group to create topics and keep discussions clear and organized. Give it a try today and see how much smoother your group conversations become. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Telegram.